This is your build list for the soup can forge. You will need 3 fire bricks, 9" by 4.5 by 1¼ or 1½. A new 1-gallon paint can. A box of plaster of Paris. Some kind of base. 4 90-degree angle brackets. Miscellaneous hardware, which we will talk about later. Take the top of the lid, draw a circle around 2 bricks. To get this pattern, you will cut this out for the base. For the 3rd brick, you'll set it on top of the other 2 and draw a line just under the rim of the can so it fits just inside up on the other bricks. These are your 3 marks. You will also need some sand. I use white play sand and some type of torch attachment. And this is what your cuts will look like. I'll provide dimensions in the video. The 2 round pieces are inserted and checked for fitment. The rectangular piece will sit and make a table. You will also need something to mix your plaster of Paris and sand in. So a review of the parts list. 4 angle brackets. Your hardware. I use 5/16, so you got 4 5/16 nuts or bolts, regular nuts, fender washers, regular washers, and lock washers. Then you have wood screws for the base. You need to get a couple more. A 1/2" piece of threaded black pipe or nipple. You get them at Home Depot. You can get this all at Home Depot. 1/2", like I said, so the torch nozzle will fit down inside. Some kind of base. Your 1-gallon paint can, new. Paint never been in there. The pieces that you cut earlier. Your plaster of Paris. Something to mix with. Something to mix them in. And the same amount of sand as your plaster of Paris. Now for dimensions. The brick I explained in the first parts video is 1¼ to 1½ tall, 4½ inches wide, and you will cut it down to 5 5/16. Your little chunk will be the diameter of the inside of the can, which I used the lid to make the perfect size. So make it the size of the lid. It'll fit right in the can. A rectangular piece will fit just like that. So you'll have a flat spot. The build will start soon, so keep an eye out, and thanks for watching.